Hello guys and welcome. I have updated my Trojan and made it a brutal virus. I've named it Trojan PIBBV Ultimate, and in this video I'm gonna show you the new update and the differences. And in addition to that, I have also made a file that's called PIBBV Cure. You basically run this in the safe mode and it's gonna instantly cure the virus and remove it from the computer. I made this file because it saves a lot of time. Whenever I infect the virtual machine to test the virus, I take a lot of time to cure it again. But this thing cures it. It does the exact same thing I do, but with the command line. So it just makes it automatically, instantly. It just fixes everything back. So let me go to the exclusive mode. And let's just open the Trojan PIBBV. I named it Ultimate because it truly deserves this name. So let's go ahead and open it. Yes. Okay, Trojan PIBBV Ultimate version. Please read carefully before installation. This Trojan is experimental. Please do not install it on your PC. Do not change the destination folder, otherwise the virus will not work. I'm not responsible for any problems. You can install this on a virtual machine, but know that your machine may not work again. Designed by Omar Ahmed, YouTube channel The Unknown Explorer. Alright. Let's click install and see what's gonna happen. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This thing immediately happens, and then this message pops out. This thing opens. Your PC will restart soon to complete important updates. And the red screen. This is the first effect that happens due to the virus. Alright. It's gonna remain like that for a while. And then something was gonna happen. The restart. It's pretty expected, basically. But let's see what's gonna happen after the restart. Totally different, right? The last time I made a video about this Trojan, it did not have anything related to restart. And the reason I put this restart is because when in the previous version, whenever I just force shut down the PC, in most of the times, the virus is corrupted and it does not run automatically after the restart. I was just lucky in the video that I made, and so I decided to update it and make it more effective. And right now the success rate is 100%. But that's not the only case. I really updated the virus and I made it more fancy and cool and creepy. Let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. Alright, so here we go. It restarted, and yeah, let's log in and see what will happen, basically. Oh my god, look at this. The background image immediately changed to this little skull that's made out of text, basically. And it's in the matrix color. Okay, let's see what else is gonna happen. Oops, your PC is permanently infected with Trojan PIBBV. Just go and cry. Well, that's what happens. And this thing keeps opening and closing just to annoy the user, in addition to the severe lag that's gonna happen. Actually, as you can see, the virtual machine is starting to severely lag, loading for no reason. Right-clicking, I right-clicked. As you can see, it's very slow in response, totally paralyzed. That's really funny, honestly. Now, one trick actually, if you have this PIBBV cure and you discover that this was the virus, and once you see the skull, you need to immediately run this file before anything happens. You still have the chance to save your computer. However, if you were too slow, don't worry, still you could cure it using the safe mode. Luckily, there is a cure for this virus. As you can see how how slow it is, and look at this. This is really creepy. The background changed to skull, and boom, man, look at this. This is really sick. And these CMD consoles really keep opening and closing, and it's hard to catch them, honestly. They're pretty annoying, and man, they're fucking annoying. That's pretty cool. As you can see, the taskbar does not want to show up. The whole computer is lagging. I can barely point out at these little things in the desktop. Alright, let's restart the machine and let's cure the virus using this thing. And I'm gonna provide the link in the description for it if you want to download it. Believe me, it's totally safe. It's not non-malicious at all. The link will be in the description. If you want to try this virus, then boot to safe mode and run out this thing. It's gonna cure it completely. Because the updated version contains multiple files, a lot of files in the startup, not only one like the previous version, Fire. No. It contains really lots of files with different names and stuff. Besides, it changed your background image, so you can do this manually, but this one will save a heck of a time. At the blink of your eye, you're gonna notice that the virus is cured immediately once you open it. So anyway, but you need to open it in safe mode, or not in safe mode, but before the virus starts. So if you don't want to open it in safe mode, you can just open it before the virus starts. I'm gonna try to do this right now and see if it's gonna work or do any help. Okay, so I'm gonna go to power. I'm gonna power it off, like this. I'm gonna power it off like that. Alright, okay, and then I'm gonna power on again, and I'm gonna try to open the cure quickly before the virus opens, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna be effective. I hope the machine is as fast as it was, because today the machine is good. It's fast. So yesterday it was annoying. I tried to make a video, it was too slow, I wasn't able to do so. Even today, in the day, it was like that. But right now, it's a little faster. I hope it remains like that. Here we go, it is loading. Here we go, it's almost done. Soon it's gonna write please wait, and it's gonna bring the little user, and we're gonna be fine. This time I'm gonna try to use the cure application that's hopefully gonna stop it. If I did not have the chance, I'm gonna boot into safe mode and do that. Pretty simple. Alright, let's log in. I hope I really have the chance to open this file before the virus starts, because it's in the startup and it's gonna start. Alright. Please, quickly. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I wonder if it worked. I guess it worked, and it stopped the virus from running. Okay, so it is deleted already, so I guess the virus is stopped. Let's refresh. Woohoo! We've cured it just at a blink. Wow, this program is awesome. It can cure the virus immediately, guys. So as you can see, when we refresh, the virus was cured, and you will not find any trace of this virus in the PC. It's totally cured. Downloads. As you can see in the downloads, nothing is there. Local disk. Okay, let's try to go to the startup location and see if there's anything in there. At a blink, the thing was just cured immediately. This folder is empty. As you can see how nice it is. Once we opened it, it was cured, but all I had to do was refresh in order to change back my background to its normal picture. That's why I suddenly found that the loading stopped. The virus was loading, it was getting ready to open, and then suddenly it stopped and the computer was normal. I immediately knew that the cure succeeded. This is pretty awesome. If you guys want that, I can put the link in the description. Once the computer opens, you can immediately run this before the virus opens, or if you are too slow or you did not have the chance to do so, then you can boot into safe mode and then run this same file and then boot back into normal mode and you should be fine. But as you can see here, I had the time to open this thing before the virus opens, and I cured the PC instantly in a blink. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video guys, please share it, give it a thumbs up, leave a like if you like the video, comment, and please turn on the notification bell so that you get notified with my latest videos out. See you guys next time. Enjoy.